Hello, the Iranian state-sponsored espionage group dubbed Muddy Water uses a previously unknown command and control C2 framework called PhonyC2. This framework has been put to use by the actor since 2021. It is structurally and functionally similar to MuddyC3, a previous Muddy Water custom C2 framework that was written in Python 2, security researcher Simon Kennan said. Muddy Water is continuously updating the PhonyC2 framework and changing TTPs to avoid detection. Muddy Water, also known as Mango Sandstorm or Mango, is a cyber espionage group that's known to operate on behalf of the Iran's Ministry of Intelligence and Security since at least 2017. The use of social engineering is a central component of Iranian APT tradecraft when engaging in cyber espionage and information operations, Kennan explained. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.